Hello, this is from Tofico, Philippines. Let me introduce to you our new Gemilai 3006 2024 edition. It has an off-white and stainless steel color. Let's now open the brown box. So once you open the brown box, you will see the inner box. And now, let's start from the inclusions of your machine. We have here the manual, portafilter color white, and double spout, brush for your group head, and spoon for your citric acid powder. A knob for your steam wand, backflash for your maintenance, single shot basket, and your 58mm tamper. Let's now proceed on the buttons and functions. First, we have here the water tank, 1.7 liters, a cup warmer, single shot, double shot, program mode, and steam button, steam knob, steam wand, bar indicator for your group head, barometer display, you can plus and minus, power on and off, and drip tray. This machine is a single boiler machine and also good for home use and start-up coffee shop. So, your machine has a default seconds on single and double shot, 25 seconds. If you want to change the seconds, you need to long press until you reach your desired seconds. Let's try the 15 seconds. The Gemilai 305G has a 1-year warranty and 7 days replacement. If you avail this machine, you will have a free barista training only on Tofico, Philippines. So that's all. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.